Do you have a feeling like procrastination, and do you want to remove this type of feeling like procrastination, laziness? So friends, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to share with you wonderful method. With the help of this method, you can easily get rid of this type of habit like procrastination, laziness. Okay, so just here everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you a motivational story. With the help of this motivational story, you can easily get motivation, and also you will know how to remove the habit procrastination in our life. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. But before going to the video, I just want to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. So the story goes like this. So once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy who was very lazy. Every day, instead of working towards his goal, he wasted his time on unimportant things. He would go to sleep late, wake up late, and spend hours doing nothing useful thing. Laziness had become constant barrier. Whenever his parents asked him to do something, he would make up excuses, avoid the task. His parents tried to guide him, advise him to be more responsible, but he never listened to him. Instead, he argued bad, refusing to admit he needed to change his life. He often said, "I will do it tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. As time passed, his friends started to progress their life. They were achieving success, finding jobs, and even started their own business. But meanwhile, the young boy remained stuck in the same place, not moving forward. Slowly, he began to realize that his bad habit was the reason for lack of progress. He tried to change himself many times, but he always indulged going bad. He started to feel like a failure, convinced that he could not do right in his life. One day, feeling utterly hopeless and lost, the young boy decided to leave his house and go far away to a place where no one can knew him. He walked all day long until he reached a forest on a mountain. Tired and hungry, he sat under the tree and began to think about all the things he had done wrong in his life. Just then, he noticed a small hut in the forest. Curious, he walked over to the hut and he saw a monk sitting quietly in front of him, deep in meditation. The monk's face was serene and seemed to be a complete peace. When he opened his eyes, he looked at the young man with a warm smile and asked, "Who are you, my friend? And what brings you to this dense forest?" The young man paused and he explained how he felt like a failure and did not know what to do in his life. The monk listened patiently, his eyes filled with kindness and understanding. After the young man had finished, the monk offered him some water and food, saying, "Eat, my friend. An empty stomach cannot think clearly." After the young man had eaten, the young monk said, "You see, no one is born with failure. It is know who we are, but what we do every day that saves our life. If you can change the way, so start your day, okay, with powerful way." The young man was a big surprise and asked the monk, "Sir, How can the start of the day make such a big difference in our life? The monk smiled and replied, Yes, my friend, the start of our day has a significant impact of how the rest of the day will go. If you start your day, the rest of day is more likely to be positive and productive. But if you start your day poorly, it can easily lead to a chain of negative thing. The boy is still curious. Sir, please tell me, how can I start my day in the best way if possible? The monk responded with a gentle smile. It is actually quite simple, friend. Start by waking up early in the morning. This one small thing can lead to many other positive changes in your life. Just like when a flower blooms, the bees automatically come to it. In the same way, when you begin waking up early, other good habits will naturally start to come to you. This is the first step towards self discipline. If you want to train your mind, there is no better way than by waking up early. In fact, waking up early has been a habit practiced by some of the more successful people and influential people throughout the history. The boy then asked, But sir, how can waking up early bring other good habits into our life? The monk explained, You see, our bodies need around 8 hours need sleep to think to work properly. When we start waking up early, you will naturally begin to go bed early. When you have a regular sleep pattern, your life becomes more organized and disciplined. As you introduce discipline into your life, laziness and procrastination will slowly disappear. This regular sleep cycle will improve your overall sleep pattern, making you more energetic, productive. Okay. The monk continued, waking up early also gives you a good start on the day before the words get rise. It allows you to organize your thoughts, set clear intentions, and focus on the task that truly matters. Early risers often find them that they can accomplish much more in the first few hours of the day because the morning is usually quiet and free from distractions, making it the perfect time to the uh, to handle the most challenging thing. Then he added early morning hours, often considered the most peaceful time of the day, without noise. Whether you are a student preparing for the exam or a professional planning for your whole day, this clear habit can significantly boost your productivity and effectiveness. So, for students, it is often said that whatever they study in the early morning time is more easily remembered because the mind is more receptive at that time. In all the cultures and religions of the world, this time of the day is considered sacred. Then the monk continued, in Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, and many other religions, this period is often called the divine time. It is believed that blessings from the divine are more accessible during these hours. Monks, priests, and spirituality around the world wake up before 4 a.m. in the morning to pray and meditate because they understand the unique benefit of this time. The monk further elaborate, waking up early also positively impact your mental well-being. Early risers tend to feel more in control of their lives, leading to lower anxiety levels and more balanced emotional state. So in the morning, when our mind is calm and fresh, it is the best time to make positive affirmation. If you repeatedly tell yourself during this time, this period, I attract success and prosperity into my life every day, your subconscious mind will absorb, and soon you will start seeing changes in your life. The boy listened eagerly as the monk continued. This time of the day is also for exercise, good for exercise, because it boosts your energy level, improve your mood, and start your metabolic rate high. Exercising in the morning helps release dolphin, the feel good hormone. It is a positive hormone, okay? Whether it is yoga or jogging or any other form of exercise, it will refresh your body and eliminate laziness. With increased energy and rejuvenating body, you will find it easier to stay active and motivated throughout the day. The monk concluded, my friend, I could go on all the day explaining the benefit of waking up early in the morning, but the essence is simple. If you make this change in your life, success will eventually come to you, even if you don't chase it. This one habit will bring you closer in your goal, in your life. The voice said, Master, I have tried to wake up early before, but I always fail. The monk replied with a smile, my friend, at first it might be challenging, but once you get used to it, your body will naturally wake up at that time. Initially, you may need to set an alarm, and you might too tempted to hit the snooze button. To avoid this, place your alarm at a distance so that you have to physically get up to turn it off. Once you are out of bed, you are less likely to go back again. Also, if you fail to wake up early in the morning, give yourself a small punishment, like avoiding your favorite food all the day or something else like that. This will train your mind not to make the same mistakes again. Then the monk said, now go back home. Your parents must be worried about you. Remember, this one simple habit of waking up early can transform your whole life and bring discipline and prosperity to your journey. Listening to the monks, the young boy finally understood the good impact of this simple habit. Filled with hope and confidence, he stood up, bowed, respectful to the monk, and headed back home with a sense of determination and newfound light in his heart. So, friends, this is the story. So, if you too wish to change your life, then start you waking up early each morning, and believe me, this one habit will bring you a drastic change in your life and lead you to the path of success. So, and finally, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Okay, so friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.